Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to use the step component. In the component library at the bottom left of the UI design interface, you'll find Step 1 and Step 2. The difference between them is, Step 1 includes a slider, buttons, and a switch. Step 2 uses a progress bar instead of a slider, alongside buttons and a switch. For this explanation, we'll use Step 1 as an example. The step component is commonly used for volume control in audio processors. It consists of a slider and a pair of increment or decrement buttons. Unlike regular buttons, the plus and minus buttons have a built-in step property that allows the slider value to increase or decrease in set increments when pressed. This logic is built in and does not require any additional configuration. Double-click the slider, and in the right-hand basic info panel, assign an action logic number for either the change or release event. Double-click the plus button and assign an action logic number for the press event. Do the same for the minus button. Double-click the mute switch and assign action logic numbers for both the on and off events. In the logical design area, add UI action module, send command module, and the interface. We'll use TCP client as an example. Sync all assigned logic numbers in the UI action module. When the slider's change or release event is triggered, the slider value is automatically output from the UI action module. Therefore, there's no need to use the property getter module to fetch the slider value. In the send command module, enter control commands for volume change, volume up, down, mute, and unmute. For the volume change command, replace the volume parameter with 0 and link it to the slider's output. Connect each control action, volume up, down, mute, unmute, to their respective commands. Finally, connect the output of the send command module to the TCP client's send endpoint. To implement feedback, assign property logic numbers to the slider and mute switch. In the logic configuration, connect the TCP client's receive endpoint to a matcher module to extract the volume value. Then connect it to a property setter module to update the slider. Also connect the receive endpoint to a matcher module to check if the received data matches the mute or unmute feedback based on the API documentation. If the data matches the mute feedback, set the mute switch to on. If it matches the unmute feedback, set the switch to off. Once everything is configured, upload the project to the control panel and use a debugging tool to test the results. Next, we'll verify if the control commands are being sent correctly. Now let's check the feedback functionality. As you can see, both the control and feedback work as expected. Thank you for watching.